everyone, good afternoon guys. Today guys is Sunday and it is afternoon already. I don't know what time it is, but let me check it. It is 2:22 in the afternoon guys, and we had lunch earlier today, and because we ate early today and I have time to do some projects. The other day my daughter Lakota and we harvested our grapes guys behind the fence. Yeah, so I also asked my husband to buy some yellow peaches and also some pears guys. So what we are going today is we are going to process those three types or three fruits guys, and we are going to make fruit cocktail in syrup. Yeah, so ano guys, may asukal po siya para pwede po natin itago at gamitin yung mga preserve na yun guys when we want it. Yeah, sayang kasi yung mga ubas guys, ubas. Yeah, sayang kasi yung mga ubas guys kung hindi namin kukunin kasi masisira lang doon. At saka we shared with the birds guys and the insect. So yung mga natira ng mga ibon at mga insects, yun ang kinuha namin ni Lakota. So guys, yun nga ang gusto kong gawin na i-process. Hindi naman na iluto natin guys, ano lang, ang lutuin ko lang is, yung syrup niya guys is 2.5 cups of sugar and 10 cups of water. So yun ang pinaka-syrup niya guys. Hindi siya as in sweet like the commercial ones na very sweet. Yes. So yun ang i-dilute natin sa maligamgam na tubig. After that, palamigin natin yun siya. And then, linisan naman natin yung mga fruits and yung pears and peaches. We have to slice them in cubes, guys. Yeah. Tapos, yun ang ilagay natin sa botelya, guys. Or, yeah, in a jar or in a bottle. So, yun ang ilagay natin doon. Mixed, of course. And if you also have apples, you can also add in. You can add anything you like guys, or any fruit you have available. Yun ang pwede mong ihalo sa fruit cocktail. Pagkatapos na ilagay natin lahat sa botelya guys, or in a jar, in a small bottles. Pagkatapos nun, we have to pour in yung ginawa nating syrup, which is yung sugar na i-dilute sa maligamgam na tubig. Yeah, so yun ang ilagay natin, and then after that, we have to put the rings and then close it properly, and then we will water bath it for 10 minutes. Yes, kasi fruit kasi yun guys. Tapos pag lutuin natin or i-water bath natin ng matagal, maging mushy yung mga fruits, especially yung pears and peaches, maging as in na malambot siya guys, na super lambot. So ayaw natin nun kasi mas masarap kung medyo matigas-tigas pa yung mga fruit. Yeah, so guys, magbilang tayo ng 10 minutes pag nagsimula ng mag-boil guys yung tubig. So you can count for 10 minutes. You can put the timer on to 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes you have to turn it off the fire and ilagay mo lang doon, leave it there, huwag mong kunin kaagad. Yes, so you have to wait for another 5 minutes, and then after that you can take the bottles out guys, and then leave it on the countertop for 12 to 24 hours para as in na masil talaga siya guys. And then after that you can put the date, and then you can keep it para pag ano guys, you want to eat something, oh, I want to eat a fruit cocktail or I want to make a fruit salad, mga ganon, then you can have this beautiful jars that you preserved. Yeah, so let's start guys. Stop talking, so maybe I will not talk because I explained already the process here before making the video. So, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kung paano gawin or i-prepare lahat ng mga yan. Okay guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so ito yung isang crate guys na kinuha natin, na hinarvest namin ni Lakota the other day. As you can see guys na mga natira ito ng mga ibon. Kasi nga, ayan, as you can see, ng mga ibon and the insects. Tapos, kung masyadong marami, ang gagawin ko ay, we will turn this into vinegar, guys. Okay, so ito yung maliit na crate na with the grapes, guys. So, meron din kami nito, itong type na ito ng grape, guys. But this one is very small. And I think ito yung talagang ginagamit nila for wine. But yeah, you can turn this green or yellow and the black into wine, any guys. But I think ito must be bigger a little bit, yeah. Pero dahil hindi sila naalagaan ng mabuti, so at saka first time niyang mamunga guys, kaya maliit lang. Very cute, right? So cute, can you see? Very cute. Yeah. Pero so sweet siya guys. And now, ito naman yung ipinabili ko sa asawa ko guys. Yeah. The other day, I made only guys yung just peaches. Pero, hindi ko na ipinakita sa inyo yun. Yung process na yun. So, ang gusto kong, at saka isa pa na ubos na guys. Wala pang 10 days or 2 weeks, ubos na. Because the kids, they love it so much. I can insert some pictures because I asked Haley to take pictures of me while making the peach in army ball, guys. Yeah, I will insert the picture. And yun nga, ito yung mga pinabili ko kay hubby the other day. So ito yung i-process natin guys. Okay, so let's prepare all this guys. Volve la puta, cariño.
Ay, ay, ay. Uy, ¿por qué no pregunto? ¿Han hecho y entregado con huevo? ¿Saben?
Okay guys, so after a few minutes guys, nalusaw na yung sugar. So let's turn that off. Palamigin, okay, and then we will use it later. Ito lang guys ang kinuha ko. So let's see kung marami o kunti lang. So ang gagawin natin is we have to pluck this one guys. Tanggalin natin one by one guys, and then after that we will wash. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm using these scissors. Ganon guys, para hindi siya mag-open. So kinat ko lang siya one by one. So I will show you guys once I finish. So, yung iba, hindi na guys, kasi may sira siya.
Islam.
Pregunta, ten samareta.
Mamá dice que sí, pero
Pero ten samareta.
sí, de la cosa bella.
De bella. De bella. Sí, Hailey, guapa. And let's process this for 10 minutes. There you go, we have 6 bottles of fruit cocktail and we can enjoy this in winter time.